Hey, if you want to record phone calls on the OPPO A80 5G, you can use it. You can do this by using external application from Google Play Store. So click on the search, tap right here, and now input this phrase, ACR Cube. So thanks to this application, the Cube ACR, we can actually download calls. But I'm not using this application because you will have to grant a lot of permissions. So take a look. If you install this application, after a few moments when you open it, you will have to grant permission. You have to click next. And now take a look. You have to grant permission to your storage, to your microphone, to your phone, contacts, and Bluetooth. And in my opinion, this is not safe. But if you really need to record these calls, you can try to do this. So this is one of the way, this is the only way actually to do this, because as default in this smartphone, there's like no call recorder. So if you really need to record some calls, you can try this, but I wouldn't actually recommend. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.